Managing your payees in Wise is crucial for maintaining a secure and organized account. Whether you're removing outdated contacts, preventing potential fraud, or simply cleaning up your recipient list, deleting payees helps protect your money and streamline your transfers. Security is the primary reason to delete payees. Removing recipients you no longer need prevents unauthorized or accidental transfers, keeping your funds safe. Cleaning up your recipient list makes account management easier by removing contacts you no longer use. Preventing fraud is another key benefit. By regularly managing your payees, you reduce the chances of falling victim to scams targeting your transfer history. Regular payee management ensures your Wise account remains secure and well organized, giving you peace of mind with your international transfers. A payee in Wise is an individual or entity you set up to receive your international transfers. Understanding what constitutes a payee and why accurate information matters is key to secure and efficient money transfers. In your Wise account, payees appear in your dashboard as saved recipients for transfers, making it convenient to send money repeatedly without re-entering details each time. Every payee in Wise requires specific information to ensure transfers go through securely. This includes the recipient's full legal name, their complete address, bank account details, and for international transfers, standardized codes like IBAN or SWIFT. Accurate payee information is essential for successful transfers and account security. Incorrect details can cause transfers to fail or be delayed, and outdated information increases the risk of fraud. Wise's statistics show that users prioritize security, with fraud attempts decreasing significantly due to better payee management. Deleting incorrect or outdated payees is a proactive security measure. It prevents erroneous or unauthorized transfers and maintains the accuracy of your account. Wise employs strong security protocols like two-factor authentication to confirm deletions, ensuring your data is handled safely. To begin deleting a payee on the Wise website, first log into your Wise account. Open your web browser and navigate to the Wise website. Enter your email address and password in the login form, then click the Login button. After logging in, navigate to the Recipients section. Click on the Send option in the top menu bar. From there, select Recipients or Contacts to view your list of saved payees. Next, select the payee you wish to delete. Scroll through your list of recipients and click on the name of the payee you want to remove. This action will open their details page where you can manage their information. Now, on the payee's details page, find and click the Delete or Remove button. This button is typically located near the bottom or in a menu of options for that payee. Finally, confirm the deletion. Wise will require you to verify your identity, often through two-factor authentication or an email confirmation. Before confirming, double-check that there are no active or pending transfers to this payee. Remember, before deleting any payee, it's crucial to verify that there are no active or pending transfers linked to them. This helps prevent any unintended issues with your payments. Before deleting a payee in the Wise mobile app, first check for any active or pending transfers to that payee. This prevents disruptions to your money transfers. Step 1. Open the Wise mobile app on your iOS or Android device and log into your account securely. Step 2. From the home screen, tap on the Recipients section in the bottom navigation bar to access your saved payees. Step 3. Browse your list of recipients and tap to select the specific payee you wish to remove from your account. Step 4. In the Payee Details screen, tap the Delete button to begin the removal process. Step 5. Confirm the deletion by completing two-factor authentication or email verification for added security. Before deleting a payee from your Wise account, it's crucial to take certain safety precautions to protect your finances and data. First, always confirm that there are no active or pending transfers linked to the payee you're about to delete. Deleting a payee could halt or cancel any ongoing transactions, so check your transfer history carefully. Second, ensure your Wise account is protected with strong passwords. Use a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters, and avoid common words or personal information. Third, enable notifications for any transfer attempts made to a payee you've deleted. This adds an extra layer of security by alerting you immediately if someone tries to send money to that old payee. Finally, after deletion, clear your browser cache and history. This helps remove any stored data related to the payee and reduces the risk of security vulnerabilities. Following these precautions ensures your Wise account remains secure during and after the payee deletion process. After you delete a payee from your Wise account, the payee's profile is immediately removed from your view and becomes inaccessible within 24 hours. This ensures you can't accidentally send money to someone you've decided to remove. The payee's profile is completely removed from your account's contact list, and any attempts to access it will be blocked. This change takes effect within 24 hours of deletion. However, Wise retains the deleted payee's data on its secure servers for important reasons. This data is kept for audit purposes and to comply with financial regulations, ensuring transparency and legal requirements are met. Wise is committed to protecting your data privacy rights. All information is handled securely with encryption, and retention practices follow strict privacy laws. You can request access to or deletion of your personal data at any time. When deleting payees on Wise, users sometimes encounter issues that can be frustrating. Let's explore common problems and their solutions to help you troubleshoot effectively. First common issue, deletion errors. You might see messages like unable to delete or payee in use. Solutions include checking for any pending transfers, ensuring you're logged into the right account, and trying again after refreshing. Second issue, confusion about the 30-day data retention policy. Many users expect immediate full deletion. Remember, data is removed from your account right away, but Wise keeps it for 30 days for compliance. Reach out to support for any privacy questions. Third issue, not receiving confirmation emails. These are crucial for verifying deletion. Check spam folders, confirm your email address is correct in Wise, and allow up to 24 hours for delivery. Finally, if problems continue, contact Wise support. Use the app, website, or email and include your account details. They usually respond within 24 to 48 hours. Remember to always verify your deletion confirmations to ensure your account stays secure. Maintaining security in payee management is crucial for protecting your Wise account. Here are key best practices to follow. First, regularly review your payee list to ensure all recipients are legitimate and up to date. Second, enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. Third, use strong passwords to protect your account access. Fourth, stay vigilant for any suspicious activity related to your account. Finally, take advantage of Wise's AI-driven fraud detection and bulk payee management tools for enhanced efficiency and security. Following these best practices helps ensure your Wise account remains secure while managing payees efficiently.